Nike's Air Max Muse continues to build quiet momentum, and the upcoming Sunrise colorway highlights why the silhouette is gaining attention in the women's lineup. Expected to release this summer, the pair leans into expressive design while staying rooted in Air Max performance heritage. The Sunrise palette sets the tone, featuring a rich golden orange upper paired with soft pink gradients beneath translucent layers, inspired by early morning skies. The result feels vibrant and optimistic without becoming overwhelming. White swooshes add balance and reinforce classic Nike branding. The Air Max Muse previously gained visibility through a collaboration with Veneda Carter, which helped shift the model toward a more fashion-forward identity. This inline release feels like a natural extension of that momentum. Underfoot, an oversized Air unit in the heel delivers visible cushioning and added comfort, while the sculpted midsole keeps the profile modern and dynamic. Lightweight materials ensure everyday wearability. The Nike Air Max Muse Sunrise is expected to arrive on Nike.com before the end of summer.